How to add emoji in Google Slides. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Google Slide. If you don't know how to make a Google Slide, then you can watch my previous video. So here you can see I have created a slide. So you have to select the slide where you want to add the emoji. After that, you have to click on add text option. After that, in the right hand side in the upper section, you'll be able to see the insert option. Simply you have to click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be able to see the various options. So you have to click on special characters over here. After that, you'll be able to see the symbols. So you have to click on drop down arrow option over here, and from here you have to select emoji. Similarly, in the people and emotion, you have to click over there and you can select the type of emoji that you want to insert. After that, you have to click on the emoji that you want, and after clicking on it, you can see the emoji has been added in the slides. So by following this simple step, you can add emoji in Google Slides. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.